Now consider the integral cos square x. How to find the integral of cos square x? See, we have to use this identity. Instead of cos square x, we have to write 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2. So write the integral as integral cos square x 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2 dx. Then remember, this is whole divided by. So 1 by 2 is common. Take outside. So 1 by 2 into integral 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now next we can write the integral directly. 1 by 2 into. Put the bracket, or otherwise it will be wrong. So for both the terms, half should be multiplied. So 1, integral of 1 x plus integral of cos 2x sin 2x by 2 sin 2x by 2 plus c. Directly we write. So if you apply, if you know this identity, this formula for cos square x, then remaining part is easy. So we have to study all the identities. Now integral sin cube x, integral sin cube x dx equal to, apply the formula. What is sin cube x? 3 sin x minus sin 3x whole divided by 4 dx. First apply the formula. Then, so 3 sin x minus sin 3x whole divided by 4. Now one always first don't do in one step all the answer. 1 by 4 first take common, then only do the integration. Otherwise that will become wrong. So 1 by 4 into integral 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. So 1 by 4 is taken outside. So now we can do directly integration. 1 by 4 into. Now bracket, put the bracket because 1 by 4 is common for both the terms. Put bracket. Then write the integral of 3 sin x. What is integral of 3 sin x? 3 also constant. 3 into. What is integral of sin x? Integral of sin x minus cos x. So 3 into integral of sin x minus cos x minus. What is the integral of sin 3x? Minus cos 3x by 3. Minus cos 3x by 3. Because we know derivative sin x cos x. So integral minus, negative is there. So integral of sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3, because in the place of x it is 3x. So we have to divide by derivative of 3x, 3. So we have to divide by 3. So that plus c. Now simplify and write. Minus into minus become plus, and write the answer. So that is equal to minus. When I open the bracket, we can open the bracket. Minus 3 by 4 cos x. Minus 3 by 4 cos x. Then here minus into minus become plus. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c. So minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c as answer. Next, integral cos cube x. Integral cos cube x dx. Apply the formula. Cos cube x equal to, what is that? Integral cos 3x plus 3 cos x whole divided by 4 dx. So cos cube x, cos 3x plus 3 cos x whole divided by 4 dx. Now take 1 by 4 common. 1 by 4 into integral cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. Now write the integral of all the terms. 1 by 4 into. What is in there? Put the bracket because both the terms 1 by 4 should be multiplied. So integral of cos 3x. What is integral of cos 3x? Sin 3x by 3. Integral of cos x, sin x. So integral of cos 3x, sin 3x by 3. So sin 3x by 3 plus 3 into. What is integral of cos x? Sin x plus c. So that's the answer. Just to multiply and write the answer. So we have to use these identities. Then first exercise 7.3, first one. Integral sine square 2x plus 5 dx. Integral sine square 2x plus 5 dx. How to find the integral of sine square 2x plus 5? See, whenever you see sine square something, cos square something, we have to use this identity. What is the integral of sine? We have to use, what is the identity? Sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. So here we want to integrate sine square 2x plus 5. In the place of x, it is 2x plus 5. See, all these are identities, trigonometric identities. So identities means it is 2 for every x. So in the place of x, we can use this identity for any x, for any value of x. So here in the place of x, what is the 2x plus 5? See, we know sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sine square x 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. That is the identity we know. So we want to know sine square 2x plus 5. So what is sine square 2x plus 5? Sine square 2x plus 5 equal to, just substitute the value of x in this identity. In the place of x we write 2x plus 5. So right side also in the place of x write 2x plus 5. So we get 1 minus cos 2 into instead of x we have to write 2x plus 5. So whole divided by 2. Only x we have to change. Only x. In the place of x write 2x plus 5. Here also in the place of x write 2x plus 5. So what we get? That is equal to 1 minus cos 2 into 2x 4x plus 2 into 5 10. So cos 4x plus 10 divided by 2. So we can use this in the place of sine square. So integral sine square 2x plus 5 equal to 1 minus cos 4x plus 10. 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 whole divided by 2 dx. So using this identity, sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sine square 2x plus 5 equal to 1 minus cos 4x plus, double of 2x plus 5, that is cos 4x plus 10 whole divided by 2. Only x you need to change, only x. No other things you have to change. Only x you change into 2x plus 5. So we got sine square 2x plus 5. Now it's easy integration. So that is equal to, now we know how to find the integral. 1 by 2 common. 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 whole divided by 2. Sorry. Dx. So we have taken 1 by 2 common. 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 dx. Now we have to integrate both the terms. First term 1, second term cos 4x plus 10. Now integrate the terms. So 1 by 2 into integral we can write directly. What is the integral of 1x minus? What is the integral of cos 4x plus 10? What is the integral of cos x sin x? So what is the integral of cos 4x plus 10? See, in the only difference is in the place of x it is 4x plus 10. What is the derivative of 4x plus 10? Only 4. 4 into 1. Derivative x 1 plus derivative 10 0. Only 4. 4 is the derivative of 4x plus 10. Only a constant. So we can divide by that number and we can find the integral. Write the integral directly. So what is the integral of cos 4x plus 10? Sin 4x plus 10. You have to divide by derivative of 4x plus 10. What is the derivative of 4x plus 10? Only 4 plus c. So that is actually we are using that substitution method. But in this case directly we write. So called integral of cos 4x plus 10 is sin 4x plus 10 divided by 4. Which 4 is derivative of 4x plus 10. Because x was in the place of x it is 4x plus 10. So we have to divide by derivative of 4x plus 10. So in the case of differentiation we are multiplying, but integration we are dividing by that number. So now opening the bracket you will get the answer. Okay.